Hello, my name is Anthony Ebert, and today we are going to be going over standard SID.1, which is to represent data with plots on represent data with plots on the real number line. And today we're going to be doing that using probability. So here I have a dice. You can see that if I roll the dice, right, five, whoop, two, two, four, right? Every time I roll it, I get a new number. And so in order to represent my dice roll data, we're going to be using a dot graph. I've gone through and I've collected the data from 20 dice rolls. So here I have my graph, here I have my data set, and we are going to start plotting this out. So here, as we can see on my left-hand side, or the the y-axis, I'm going to put frequency, right? Because going up is going to represent how often I rolled that number. So on the left side, it's going to be the frequency at which we rolled that number. And down here at the bottom, I'm going to mark out what my possibilities were, right? I have a six-sided dice. So the possibilities are 1 through 6. So here I'm going to put a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You'll notice here that I skipped every other line. It's just to give myself more space. That's the only reason for that. And so in order to do this, let's go ahead and change the color to make it a little bit more visible. Let's try red. Okay. So to do this, I am just going to go through my data set. I'm going to look at what number I rolled, and I'm going to put a dot, right? So you can see that my first number is a 3. So I'm going to come over here to my 3, and I'm just going to make a dot, right? Because I rolled that 3 one time so far. My next number is 1. So I'm going to come over here to my 1, and I'm going to put a dot, right? Because so far in my data set, I've rolled 1, 3, and 1, 1. Moving on, you can see that I have another 3. So I'm going to come over here just above the dot that I've already placed and put another one. Now I have a 4. 2. Right, and just to make this simple for myself, I can cross them out as I go, just so I don't accidentally do them multiple times. Then I've got another 2. 4. 6. It's 2 dots. Boom, boom. 2 on 5. So boom, boom. You'll see I'm getting ahead a little bit. I'm doing 2 at a time. Makes it a little faster, right? I have 20 different data plots to plot out. So it takes a little while, right? So now I'm at 4. I have another one at 4. 1 and 1. Another one at 5. 6. 5. Whoa, that was a big one. 3, 6. And then finally 3. All right, and so now you can clearly see that I've taken my data set, I've transferred it over to the stop plot, and I can now see how frequently I was rolling things. You can see that 2 was the lowest one that I rolled, right? I only rolled that one twice out of my 20 rolls, and that 3, 5, and 6 were my most consistent, right? I had 4 rolls of each of those. And so this is a good way to take probability of an event occurring and kind of map it out in a way that makes sense, and you can visually see how likely you are to roll that thing or how often that thing occurred. So dot plots are really great for that as a visual representation of what is happening or what's going on with the probability and the statistics involved. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.